I have 10 minutes to get ready, I do this makeup look right here. This is my wedding guest makeup look and it literally took me 10 minutes to complete this look. So we are going to do that in this video. I was getting ready for my brother's haldi, so I thought why not film it. With this, let's get started. I tied up my hairs and washed my face with the gentle cleansers, and you can see my face all natural in front of you. Second step will be the moisturizer, and I am applying this plum rice water and niacinamide. It has gel-like consistency and good for the oily skin. I love to use this dot and dot method to apply moisturizer or any other product because it literally helps the product to spread evenly on all over the face, and you can see the plump after applying. Now I am using the primer. It's from the inside and I really love this one as it is affordable and works so well. I start applying where the chances are much higher of clogging pores and having acne. Later following it up to the whole face and just gently start spreading it. You might found my fast hand movement because of high speed I have applied. Now I am gonna apply the concealer using this one from the L'Oreal. I am applying first on my under eye area and the visible spots on my face and starts blending it with my hand as I am quite comfortable with it. Here I am using the brush to make sure my face is looking clean and the concealer has spread evenly and not looking cakey on my face. Then using the foundation, I use this foundation stick from Sugar. It has two sides. One has the foundation and another side has the brush, but the brush is quite rough so I don't use this so much. Anyways, I just want subtle, elegant and minimal makeup, so I am applying this in a very less amount and just start blending it with the brush. It's from the Mars 4-in-1, you might have all known. Our base is done here. It's very minimal and securing this with the compact powder because I don't have loose powder, so compact powder is my savior here. It's from the Maybelline basically. Next step is making eyebrows with this eyebrow brush. I have purchased this from the local market. It has come with the set of another 5 brush, and with the help of eyeliner brush and dark color palette which I already have, I use this hack to fill my eyebrows basically. Now don't judge me here, I don't have the eyebrow pencil. And after completing brows, I'm gonna do my eyes by using this palette. It has light tone shades. It's from the Nika basically. First I have applied the very light shade to make a base and blends it properly. Now the darker one shade I'm applying here. By the way, I'm still learning a proper makeup, blending and every single thing. So if I do any kind of a mistake, so please don't mind. I'm still learning and growing here. Moving forward, applying the golden shimmer on darker one shade so that it will match to my outfit. Nowadays I am just fond of with this eyeliner hack. I just apply the black eyeshadow with the eyeliner brush to give the smoky eye look, and trust me, seriously trust me, it might don't visible much in the video but in reality it was visible and just looking so good and amazing. Now using the blush, it's from the Nika. It has two shades, the dark and the light. I personally love the darker one shade as a blush, but for the eyes I am using the lighter one shade here to make my eyes look clean and like blending it so that अच्छा लगे ये मेरी आँखों पे. Next I am using the mascara and it's from Zudio, and I really like their products as they are affordable and has like good quality also. I'm not using eyelash curler here because again I want my makeup to look minimal and don't want the focus on my eyes. Applying the blush on my cheeks, and who knows me from long time and who saw my videos back, they know my face has changed a lot. So I'm applying the blush on the upper side so that my face will look lifted and not circular. Before completing the look, let's change first. So this is my yellow fade and completing the look with the lipstick. First, lip liner. It's from the Mars in the brown shade. And for filling, I am searching for the light pink color shade which I already had, and it was from the Zudio, and it will suit with my lip liner as well. As I've told you, I seriously like some of the Zudio products and it is also one of them. Okay, so who is the blush paglu like me जिसको ज़्यादा भी कम लगता है, and I really love the blush a lot. Anyways, this is my face, and now let's do the hairs. I don't have blue brush, so I use this hack to make my hairs like whenever I want to go out, it makes my hairs like look straight and healthy, and it just makes the hair perfect. Time for jewelry, again going for less and minimal. These were two options I have, and going with this one, it was looking perfect, and I just wanted like little small and elegant, not wearing anything on my neck, so going with this hand bracelet in one hand only. And now rings, I really love rings so much. Wearing traditional without bindi is incomplete, so going with the dark blue color in contrast. Helping my sister with eyeliner here as she was also going with me. And yes, this is my complete Haldi wedding guest makeup look. Minimal, elegant, subtle, no too loud, nothing. If you really like the video, just comment, like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.